Want to make your drive safer and more memorable? The REDTIGER dash cam is your ultimate road companion. First up, its 4K front camera and 2.5K rear camera deliver ultra-clear recordings. Whether it's a scenic drive or a key moment, you'll have sharp, high-definition footage. Plus, with an included 32 GB memory card, you're ready to roll right out of the box. Next, built-in Wi-Fi and GPS let you manage footage directly from your phone, track your location, speed and trip history effortlessly, adding an extra layer of safety. Now, let's talk night vision. With wide dynamic range, WDR technology, the REDTIGER dash cam captures clear video even in low light. Its 170 degrees wide-angle lens reduces blind spots and captures everything around you. And don't forget the 24-hour parking mode. This feature ensures your dash cam records any motion or impact while your car is parked, giving you peace of mind. Packed with sharp video quality, easy connectivity, night vision, and full parking surveillance, the REDTIGER dash cam is a solid investment for any driver. Click the link in the description to check it out and secure yours today.